If you don't like mysteries but still love cats, then let's solve this one. Cats are amazing climbers thanks to their curved claws that grip tree bark perfectly. But here's the twist. Those same claws make climbing down headfirst nearly impossible. Instead, they have to back down using their powerful back legs to descend. It might look a bit silly, but it's actually genius. This climbing quirk evolved to help them escape predators and hunt from above. So next time you see your kitty scaling a tree, remember, they've got a special trick for getting back down safely.